Hey YouTube, so we are at Fairfield Dodge and Chrysler and Jeep at Danville, Pennsylvania, and we had basically the best service experience I think we've ever had.
I agree.
It's like, this place is awesome. So anyway, so we brought our Jeep in here from AOAA, and the camshaft was leaking, believe it or not, like the seal on it, and we had oil going up into our air intake, and the air filter was like covered in oil, and the side of the engine was covered in oil, and there was oil everywhere pretty much just coming out of the air filter. We brought it in Saturday morning, like 9 a.m., no appointment, and they knew we were from Virginia, and they rushed us in and got it all taken care of. It's 11 o'clock, so 2 hours, and like whammo jammo, our engine is all like awesome. And
we are good to go and safe to drive. We don't have to worry about anything. So this is the best service we've ever had.
Yeah. So I mean, yeah, if you're in Pennsylvania and you're near the AOAA or you're near Rausch and you need to go to a Jeep dealer, come to this one at Fairfield. Like this one is so good. And you know, the root cause of the problem is basically the other Jeep dealer, and like Browns in Virginia, like they messed up like the seal when they did the last service repair, let's just say that. And yeah, I don't know, like whatever, but this place, awesome. So
yep.
Anyway, we'll see you around. We're gonna head probably up to AOAA and see what we want to do. So thank you.